So, I am so sorry. I haven't made any videos in a long time. Guys, I'm so freaking sorry. So, I thought I would give you guys like, I don't know, like a quick messy room tour. Because guys, I want to see how my room is actually like. So, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button and yeah, put on notification, and I love y'all. Okay, let's start. Alright, so I have like all these like, oh my gosh. Alright, first I want you guys to like see like this. Look at that. Look how freaking messy my room actually is. Alright, so that's my bag. These are some earrings I was just putting on, but I was like, maybe I should wear the grip if you guys can't. I'm sorry, the lighting is a little bit off today, right now. So, and yeah, this is my roller, my deodorant. So I'm just gonna give you like a quick peek. Some underwear, some shirts, my dirty clothes, hair stuff, 2 ponies, a chair, my Zuma hedgehog set. Yeah, super cute. And up there, I set it that up. Alright, and then up there, my raider thing, an owl, a flower, a kitten, and oh, sorry if you the kitten's like backwards, so like up there. Oh my gosh, so blurry. And then poster, bed. This is like the worst part of my freaking room. Look how messy that is. Sorry, can't see it. I'm so sorry. So while they're doing that, see my brother's playing the game, PS4. I'm going to show you guys my dog. I think you guys seen it in one of my videos. Not sure, but I'm gonna be like lighting up. I never know how to freaking open this door. That's my jam. Got me running to how to put it on. Alright, so these are the dogs. Sorry, the lighting is like so terrible. Look at her, she's so happy. Huh, guys? Ow, Zoe, dang, cut your nails. Well, cut your claws or something. Alright, so these are my dogs. Well, these are some family dogs. They're not actually ours, they're like dog sitting. They're actually my uncle's. And that's little Zoe bear. Huh. And that's you. That's beautiful Zoe. This is the girl. Beautiful Zoe. This is beautiful Zoe. She's so pretty. And that's Charlie. Curly Charlie. And I think they broke the shovel. Ow! Don't hurt me, that's the little doggy door. They always come in. I don't even understand how Charlie could stop, you're scratching me. Look at all those scratch marks. She is so wild. Alright, so I'm so scared. So I'm literally gonna stand up here. Get into. What's up? Ooh. Okay. Okay, Charlie, you must have been hungry. Alright, stay. Ooh, I'm gonna have to pour you guys some more dog food. I'll pour some later. So yeah, that's their little kennel. Alright, so she is like so playful. Like, guys, I don't even know. Alright, so hi. She's so playful, huh? She sheds a lot, so we never let her on the couch. And she shed all over me. Well, good night. Night. Love you. And where are you? Night. Love you. Stay inside. I'll turn off the light. Just kidding. I'll leave it on. Bye.
Hold on. You gonna eat?
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Bye.
Jasmine.